what's going on guys? Arno Jerry Summer here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Google Maps.
I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 to $10,000 every single month with Google My Business.
I'm going to show you how to do this in less than 30 minutes a day, and best of all, I'm going to show you how to fully automate this process
so you can just pick up the cash.
I'm convinced that you're going to love this system because I know that you want to make this more consistently, right? You want to make Benjis every single day.
Now, if you want to make $100 a day, it's easily possible with this system. If you want to make $200 a day, you can do that as well. It's just going to require a little bit more work. Or if you want to make as much as $500 every single day, then you can do that as well. It's just going to require a little bit of work and you can get there.
To show you some real proof that I am the real deal, have a look at this. Here's a screenshot showing that I have a balance of $5,000 in one of my accounts. Here's another screenshot of one of my accounts showing $8,514.90. And here's another screenshot showing daily deposits ranging from $997 all the way up to $3,050. That's how much I make every single day with Google My Business. For those of you who don't know what Google My Business is, if you have never heard anything about Google Maps, then I have to tell you that you are looking at one of the finest money-making opportunities of this very century. In a nutshell, Google My Business allows local companies to get listed on Google search. And here's what it looks like. As you can see, I did a search for roofing El Paso, Texas. As we scroll down, you can see the map pack, right? And this is where the magic happens. This is where you want to rank, because ranking in the top of the map pack will ultimately translate to lots and lots of dollars earned. For yourself, we have 3 listings ranking in the map pack, and obviously your goal is to help companies rank in the top of the map pack. If you want to be the first to be notified whenever I publish a new video on one of the strategies that make me money, then subscribe below. Also make sure to hit the notification bell. Alright, now that you know what a Google My Business listing is, let me show you how you can make money with this specific business model. And again, this is super easy. You don't need any prior experience, you don't need to have a lot of money to invest, and you also don't need any technical skills whatsoever. The good thing about this system that I'm about to share you within the next minute is that you can fully automate it. Yes, this can be outsourced, yes, this can be automated, and this will make you lots and lots and lots and lots of money. Now, let's get started. As you can see here, we have the map pack, and the whole idea behind the system that I'm teaching you is to approach companies that are not ranking in the map pack. Now, here we can see the top 3 companies. They're also visible here. But what we want to look for are companies with very few to no Google My Business reviews, because those companies need help. And you also want to look out for companies that don't have an optimized profile, because that's where you can jump in and offer them optimization services, and you're going to make very, very good money doing that. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm now. Now let's have a look here, scrolling down. And we want to find companies, like I said, that don't have a lot of reviews and that simply need help. I saw one here that could need help. For instance, this company right here has a very bad average review of 2.9 stars. This company would most definitely need help. And how you could help this company is by simply offering them reputation management services. What does reputation management mean? A company with an excessive amount of negative review needs a professional like you to come in to help them clean up the mess that they created. And what you can do here is you can help this company get reviews, 5-star reviews, that will help them increase the average rating that they received so far, because they only got 2.9 stars. Now, if you can help this company get, say, another 10 or 20 5-star reviews, then they can improve the average rating by a lot. And it will help the company generate leads and sales for Google My Business. Plus, chances are the company will rank higher in the map pack, because right now they are not ranked in the top 3. Now, how would you go about this, right? Now, one of the best ways to get new customers for you, right, is to offer the company something for free. Because the thing is that you don't really want to sound, or you don't want to appear like you're a salesman. So what you want to do is offer the company a free service that they're going to appreciate. Now, if you just take a look at their Google My Business profile, we can see that this company really only has 2 photos, which is not a lot, you know? They only have 2 photos, so they also need help. They need more photos, because if a prospect, envision you were looking for a roofing service in El Paso, Texas, and you are being presented with more choices. And you see companies that have a ton of 5-star reviews, that have great photos, that have great feedback, that have a great company description, and everything seems to be fine. And then you see a company that has negative reviews, that has no pictures, that has no videos. What company are you going to choose, right? You basically have 2 ways of contacting this company. Option number 1 is to pick up the phone and give them a call. You don't want to sound like a salesman, but you want to tell them that you specialize in helping companies get more traffic through Google My Business. Offer them to optimize images and upload images for free. That would be a way for you to build trust. And if the company sees that, you know what, this service provider actually wants to help us, they offered us this for free, I want to try their paid service later. Assuming that the company is happy with the free service that you offered, then you could offer a paid service, which could be to help them get more 5-star reviews on their Google My Business listing. Let's say there was a storm and it damaged my roof, so now I'm looking for a roofing service that can help me repair my damaged roof. I'm looking at several options on Google My Business. I see this company and I click on their website, and as you can see here, I am being brought to this page, but this page is not optimized for lead gen. This is another service that you can offer. You can go ahead and you can offer web design services, you can offer landing page design services, and make good money doing this. Web design companies charge as much as $3,000 to design a 1-page website. That's how much money you can earn. So now imagine if you had 1, 2, 3, or 5 clients a month, each of them would pay you maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. How much money could you make? You could make a ton of money doing this. And here's the thing. I know that you're not thinking,
well, I don't know web design, I don't know how to do this.
Let me tell you this. The good thing is that you don't need to know how to create a website or how to create a landing page, because you can outsource all of this. You can be in charge. You can be the one just getting the sales, and you can offload the work, which is probably the majority of the pain, to someone who has experience doing this. And you can make 50 to 80% of the amount that you charge. So you're going to pay your service provider, the web designer, maybe 20 to 50% of the sale. This is a great way for you to make more money and have less work as a result of your outsourcing smarts. This company desperately needs your help. So how can you help this company? First of all, you would want to help fix the company's broken reputation. That would be the first thing, and that would actually be the cheapest thing for you to fix. That would be your freebie to the company. And once you have offered that, and once the company is happy with the initial service that you provided, you can go ahead and offer your paid service, which will help the company to rank higher in Google Maps. And here's my suggestion for you on how to do this. There is a site called Fiverr.com. You can go to this website and you can search for citation services. And citations is going to be the main tool that you will use to help improve the rankings of any Google My Business listings in the organic search results. Now, how this would work is that you're going to choose a reliable and proven provider on this website, Fiverr.com, and one of those providers is this person right here. And as you can see here, they have a total of 754 orders. They delivered that many orders, and you probably want to purchase the premium service. So you can see here that it would cost you $120 to get 300 local citations. What are citations, you may ask? Citations are mentionings of the company's NAP information. NAP stands for name, address, phone number, and the more mentionings a company has on the web, the higher it will rank in the map pack. Citation sites include, but are not limited to, Facebook, Yelp, Manta, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and many others. This is a great way for you to help the company improve its rankings and consequently get more leads and sales through the maps, plus earn a good amount of money for the service that you provide. And the best part is that you don't even need to provide the service because you are operating as an arbitrager. Digital arbitrage is one of the most effective and most profitable ways to make money online. And it's the way that many Google My Business service providers operate. To summarize, follow these 3 steps to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month with Google Maps. Step 1. Search for companies with existing Google My Business listings that have negative reviews and are not ranking in the top of the map pack yet. Step number 2. Contact the filtered companies and offer them a free service such as optimizing their business profile by adding photos, description, posts, service areas, and other things that are currently lacking. You can also offer the company to fix their broken reputation by adding 5-star reviews to their Google My Business profile. Step number 3, once the company is happy with your free service, it is time to offer your paid citation service, which will allow the company to rank higher in Google Maps and consequently generate more traffic and leads through Google search. Now that I have given you a proven strategy on how to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month with Google Maps, it is time for you to implement what you have learned. I want you to go ahead and start with step number 1 right now. If you enjoyed this video on how to monetize Google My Business like almost nobody does, then hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you want to learn more breakthrough make money online strategies, then subscribe to my channel below. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.